What were we doing last day? Division of algebraic fractions. Did we finish it? Right. Denuri, I have shared the list of recordings. Did you watch the recording? Were you able to watch the recording? If not, please watch it. Excuse me. All right. Okay, can I first know what are the homework that we have? What are the homework that we have? Mitna? Yes. Any previous homework that we have to discuss? Surface area, okay. What else? What else? That's it. Okay. ඒක මට next week discuss කරන්න මතක් කරන්න. අපි අද කරමු algebraic fractions වල වෙන මොකුත් නැද්ද? No other homework from algebraic fractions? Because I want to get these over with so that we can go to geometry today. No. 7.1 I and J. 7.1, okay. 7.1 I and J. Let me please excuse me. Yeah? Give me a second. All right. So I took the question I to the whiteboard. Let's discuss this first. Okay. Now I have told you when you have algebraic expressions, we always have to factorize first before we do the division or the multiplication, right? So here we have x squared minus 5x plus 6. So I will factorize it at the side, x squared minus 5x plus 6. X squared minus 5x plus 6. Okay. So අපි factorize කරාම මෙතන තියෙන්නේ 1 times 6 is 6. So 6 හැදෙන්නේ 2 times 3. So we can take minus 2 multiplied by minus 3, we get plus 6. මේ දෙනාව add subtract කරාම we also get minus 5. එහෙනම් යාව තමයි එන්නේ. So we factorize this, we get x squared minus 2x. This is from grade 10 lamaya. Factorizing algebraic expressions is from grade 10. I hope you remember. If by any chance you want me to like properly do one question, let me know. But I think we did in this, in grade 11, we did some factorizing, right? Factorizing algebraic expressions. කරාවගේ මට මතකයක් තියෙනවා. So like this. So May then I get common x, I take x out, I have x minus 2, minus 3, I have x minus 2. Here we have x minus 2 and x minus 3. When I factorize that, x minus 2, x minus 3. Then I will put it here. Instead of this, I will put x minus 2, x minus 3. Divided, here we have x squared minus 1. X squared minus 1 is difference of two squares, right? X squared minus 1. So I will do it here. X squared minus 1 means 1 squared, right? So this is, I open two brackets, x, 1, 1, method plus them, method minus them. That's how you factorize that, right? X plus 1, x minus 1. Multiplied by, up to that point, is it clear, Lamai? Up to that point, is the factorization clear? Lamai, can you all hear me? Give me a thumbs up if you can hear me, please. Chenuli? Chenuli, can you hear me? Because it's raining very heavily here, so I'm losing my signal. Let's hope it doesn't happen because I changed my network to a different one. I have two Wi-Fi connections because I know at different times, different ones are working. Like when it's raining, the dialogue is not working. And when it's not raining because of something else, but anyhow, I hope you can hear me and see me in my video call. Now you can see me also. And I have shared the whiteboard, so I hope you can see the whiteboard as well. Okay. Oh, so you lost the connection from here onwards, no? Okay. So then we have, in the denominator, we have x squared minus 1. So this is difference of two squares. Api yavat metana simplify karamu, factorize karamu. X squared minus 1 means 1 square. So what do? We open two brackets. X squared වලින් එක x එකක් මෙතන දැම්මා අනිත් x එක මෙතන දැම්මා. 1 squared වලින් එක 1 එකක් මෙතන දැම්මා අනිත් 1 එක මෙතන දැම්මා. Here this is plus, here this is minus, right? So x plus 1, x minus 1. So here I put x plus 1, x minus 1. Up to that point, is it clear, Lamai? Give me a thumbs up if it's clear. Okay. Now let's look at this one, x squared minus 2x minus 3. So I will simplify that here, x squared minus 2x minus 3. X squared minus 2x minus 3. So මෙයාව මට හදන්න පුළුවන් x squared plus 1x minus 3x minus 3. Right? So here in the first two, common one is x, so I take x out. I have x plus 1. Here, okay, why can't, you cannot see the whiteboard entirely? Oh no. It's raining and, you know, thundering and all that very heavily here too. I will share the link of the whiteboard again, just in case that you will be able to better see then. Okay. So here, method of common minus 3, I take minus 3 out. I have x plus 1. Then we have x plus 1, x minus 3. X plus 1, x minus 3. So I will put that here. x plus 1, x minus 3. Divided by the denominator, we have x squared minus 9. And we also know that is also difference of two squares, x squared minus 9. So I will also simplify that here. X squared minus 9. You know 9 is 3 squared. So I will write it as x squared minus 3 squared. This is difference of two squares, right? So I put two brackets. X squared willing 1x goes here, the other x go here. 3 squared willing 3 ekak මෙතනට යනවා, මෙතන එකක් යනවා. So plus and minus. X plus 3, x minus 3. So I will put that here. Now let's do cut and chop. Here x minus 3, here x minus 3. Here x plus 1, here x plus 1. Anything else? Here x minus 2, x minus 1, x minus 3, x plus 3. Nothing else, no? So we will simplify x plus 2, x minus 3. Yata we have x plus 1, x plus 3. So this is the final answer. Okay. Make ඔයගන්ට ඕන නම් තව further simplify දැන් ආයෙමත් brackets ටික simplify කළා you can put as x squared minus 2x plus 2x minus 3x is minus x. Yeah. Oh, sorry, yes. Here x minus 1, no? You're right. And minus 6 යට තියෙනවා x squared minus 1x plus 3x is plus 2x minus 3. You can leave it like this. Is this question clear, Lamai? Give me a thumbs up if it's clear. Okay, Denuri. Okay, Metna. Okay, great. How was your Aurudu, Lamai? Metna I met Metna in the science class. Denuri, how was your Aurudu? Was it good? Okay. මම ඇත්තටම හිතා හිටියේ last Monday I was planning to do the class. I think මම class එකේ කිව්වද කියලා මම මතක නැහැ, but I was actually initially planning to move the evening class to morning because 13th පරණ අවුරුද්දනේ. ඒතකොට ඉතින් රැක් කරන්න බැහැ ඊළඟ දවස් අලුත් අවුරුද්ද හින්දා. So I was planning to do the class in the morning. But then I thought ඕන්න නැහැ මොකද උගලන්ට vacation හම්බෙන්නේ පොඩ්ඩ කාලයයි, so ඒකෙනුත් class දාන්නක හොඳ නැති හින්දා. And also I know vacation ඉවරච්ච ගමන් you have the term tests. I think for some of you it may have even started now. So ඒකින්ද I didn't want to like pressurize you all to like උදේ පාන්දර class එකක් දාන්න අවුරුදු දවස් දෙකනේ ඉතින් නිදහස් වෙන්න පුළුවන් ටික. And then you have to study also හින්දා I just dropped that idea. But I hope you had a very like a restful and a very good Urdu holiday time. Because that's how it's supposed to be, ne? Okay, now let's do J. A squared minus B squared. Again, that is difference of two squares. So, A squared minus B squared. We know very well how to simplify this. A plus B and A minus B. If I'm lagging, let me know, Lamai. Because as I said, it's raining a lot here. Okay, A plus B, A minus B, I will write it here. Now here I have A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. So that would be, how do we get here? How do we get this? Thank you, Anubhan. How do we do this kind of a question? Quickly tell. A squared, B squared we multiply. Right? And then මෙතන A squared එනවා. Here it would be minus 1AB minus 1AB plus B squared. So that would be A out, A minus B minus B out, A minus B. So this is actually a square, right? Square term of A minus B. Right? That is A minus B squared. So Henang, I will straight away put it here as A minus B squared. If you want, you can write A minus B multiplied by A minus B. Then මෙයාව නම් අපිට මෙතනම simplify කරන්න පුළුවන්. 2 is common. I will take 2 out. A squared minus B. Here, this also I can simplify it right here. I take A out. I have A plus B. Now let's do cut and chop. Here A plus B. Here A plus B. Here A minus B. ඒකට මේ A minus B දෙන්නගේ එක්කෙනෙක්ව කැපෙනවා. Here A minus B. A minus B ට මෙයාගෙන් තව එක්කෙනෙක්ව කැපෙනවා. So in the numerator, we only have 2 remaining. On the denominator, we only have A remaining. So that is 2 over A. Okay, is that clear? Is that clear, Lamai? Give me a thumbs up. Denuri? Okay. What else do we have? Homework, what else do we have? 7.2 Munatian. I think Metna sent, no? 7.2 GHIJ. GHIJ, all right. Okay, so I will take the question G to the whiteboard. Now we were doing here multiplication of algebraic fractions. Now we are doing division, no? 7.2 G. Okay, so here we have m squared minus 4. M squared minus 4 is difference of 2 squares. You know m squared minus 4. M squared minus 4 is 2 squared. We can write it as m plus 2, m minus 2. Right? M plus 2 and m minus 2. So here, m plus 2, m minus 2. In the denominator, we have m plus 1. Then make a reciprocal කරලා ඉන්න. ඕගලන් කැමති නම් you can factorize first and then do reciprocal. නැත්නම් මුලින් reciprocal කරලා ඊට පස්සේ factorize කරා. නැත්නම් දෙකම එකට කරත් කමක් නැහැ. So look at what I'm doing here. Here the division sign turns to multiplication sign. Division sign එක multiplication වෙනවා. දැන් මෙයාව reciprocal වෙනවා. එතකොට යට denominator එකේ ඉන්නේ m squared plus 2m plus 1, right? m squared plus 2m plus 1. That would be m plus 1 squared, right? එතන මම කෙලින්ම දැන් මෙතන යන්නේ denominator එකනේ, it goes to the numerator. m plus 1 squared. Then මෙතන numerator එකේ no m plus 2, that goes to the denominator. m plus 2. So m plus 2 cancel වෙනවා. m plus 1 එක්කෙනෙකුට මෙතන එක m plus 1 එකක් cancel වෙනවා. So what do we have remaining? m minus 2 here and m plus 1 here. Okay, m minus 2 and m plus 1. Is that clear, Lamai? Okay. Then we have h. Okay. ළමයි මාව lag වෙනවා නම් කියන්න. It shows my connection is unstable. No worries. If I'm lagging, just let me know because it's thundering also. Okay. So all right. So here x squared plus y squared plus 3xy. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ එක step එකකින් කරන එක පැටලෙනවා. You doing two steps, huh? So two steps වලින් කරනවා just like this, x squared y squared plus 3xy. Denominator we have 4x squared minus 1. Then division becomes multiplication and this turns to reciprocal. So 2x plus 1 divided by x plus y plus, sorry, xy plus 3. On a reciprocal kara, that's my first step. And then I do factorizing. So when I do factorizing, it's pretty straightforward. Metan numerator ka gathama x squared y squared plus 3xy. Here x and y are common. එතකොට එක x එකකුයි y එකකුයි එළියට ගත්තාම තව x එකයි y එකයි ඉතුරු වෙනවා. මෙතන 3xy ගේ x and y එළියට ගත්තාම we have 3 remaining. Denominator we have 4x squared plus minus 1. 4x squared minus 1 is again difference of two squares, right? Because these are all square terms. 4 is 2 squared, then we have x squared, then we have 1 squared. I open two brackets. Here 2x, 1, 1. Here I put plus, here I put minus. 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1. Sorry, 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1. Here it's just 2x plus 1 and here it's just xy plus 3. Nothing to change. Now xy plus 3 to xy plus 3 kapena, 2x plus 1 to 2x plus 1 kapena. So what do we have remaining? In the numerator we have xy. In the denominator we have 2x minus 1. Is this clear, Lamai? Okay. Then I. Okay. Here, I and J, no? J is the last one. A squared minus 5a කියන එක අම්මුලින්ම අපි reciprocal කරලා right? So a squared minus 5a divided by a squared minus 4a minus 5 division a squared minus a minus 2 divided by a squared plus 2a plus 1. Okay. Now here we have, sorry. Reciprocal කරන්න නැතුවනේ මම ලියලා තියෙන්නේ. My bad. So here a squared plus 2a plus 1 comes to the top. And a squared minus a minus 2 goes to the bottom. This becomes multiplication. Now let's do factorizing. Make an lazy. A squared minus 5a gathama a is common, so I take it out. A minus 5. Meavat you can factorize. You will get a minus 5 a plus 1. Right? A minus 5 a plus 1. Then here we get a plus 1 squared. And at the bottom we get a minus 1 sorry, a minus 2, a plus 1, right? So then we get minus 2a plus 1a. So this is how you get it. Now we just have to cut and chop. Here we have a minus 5 cancelled off, right? Metan a plus 1 ekai, metan a plus 1 ekai, dekama cancel vena uda because there's a plus 1 squared. Then what do we have remaining? In the numerator, we have a remaining. In the denominator, we have a minus 2 remaining. Is that clear, Lamai? All right. Now let's move on to the next one, J, which is a bit of a lengthy question. No? Adapita 30 minutes වලින් homework කරන්න පුළුවන් වුණානේ. Now it's 7:34. We can move to the next geometry lesson. Okay. හරි අපි මුලින් reciprocal කරලෙමුනේ. ඊට පස්සේ අපිට ඔක්කොම එකට cut and chop කරන්න පුළුවන්. මම මේකම මෙහෙමම ලියනවා x squared minus 8x divided by x squared minus 4x. කොහොම කරත් ඒක steps දෙකකට ලියන්න ඕන හින්දා I just write it like this first. In the next step only I factorize everything. You can do however way you want. What matters is that the final answer is correct and you do it correctly. Order doesn't really matter here. මුලින් factorize කරලා ඊට පස්සේ reciprocal කරනවද මුලින් reciprocal එක convert කරලා ඊට පස්සේ factorize කරනවද කියන එක is up to you. Plus 1. X cube plus 8x squared. Now here this is becomes reciprocal, division becomes multiplication, and x minus 5 උඩට එනවා. X squared plus 2x minus 3 පල්ලෙහාට යනවා. Okay. Now let's factorize. X squared minus 8x ගත්තාම here x is common, so I take x out. I have x minus 8. යට ගත්තාම x squared minus 4x minus 5 නේ, that we write as x minus 5 and x plus 1. Here, x squared plus 2x plus 1, we can write as x plus 1 squared. Yata x cubed plus 8x squared. Then x squared is common, so I take x squared out. Then I have 1x remaining here plus 8. Multiplied by, here I have x minus 5. And here I have x squared plus 2x minus 3. That we can write as x plus 3 x minus 1. Up to this point, is it clear, Lamai? Up to this point, is it clear? Okay, please give me a second. එතකන් උදේ වැඩි corrections තියනවා කරගන්න. Give me 1 minute. All right. Now that we have done all the factorizing, now it's a part for cut and chop, right? Okay, let's see here. What do we have? X minus 5, x minus 5. X plus 1, මෙතන x plus 1 ගෙන් එක්කෙනෙක්ව මට cancel කරන්න පුළුවන්. මෙතන එක x එකක් ඉන්නවා. මේ x squared ගෙන් එක්කෙනෙක්ව මට මෙතන cancel කරන්න පුළුවන්. Oh my bad. මම පොඩි වැරද්දක් මෙතන කරලා නේද? මෙතන තියෙන minus එකක්නේ. I was wondering ඇයි මේ සමහරව කැපෙන්නේ නැත්තේ කියලා. එතන minus එකක් තමයි එන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට එයාත් කැපෙනවානේ. It's a minus. Now it's very nice, no? Because may x minus a2, may x minus a2 with capital. Anything else that we can remove here? Anything else that we can remove here, Lamai? Nothing else, no? So in the numerator, we have x plus 1. In the denominator, here we have x. We have x plus 3, x minus 1. All right. So that's the last one. Did you all understand this? Did you all get this answer? How is it? Okay. Okay, so I think that's it. We have finished the lesson last week. No, I forgot all about it. I thought we have a little bit more to do in that lesson. Nevertheless, we can start the new lesson, which is good news. Can you all put the topic areas of plane figures between parallel lines? ඔගන්ට ළමයි ක්ලාස් එකේ ටෙස්ට් එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒක එන්නේ ගියවදටත් කරා after this lesson. One second. අපි දැන් පටන් ගන්නේ 8th lesson එකනේ. Yes, after the 8th lesson. Yes. After the 8th lesson පොත ඉවරයිනේ part 1 එක. After when part 1 is over, you're going to have a little exam, like a test. ඒක අපිට next week මම හිතන්නේ කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි කියලා. මොකද we have to learn the lesson. There's a bit of questions to do as well. හරිද? ඒක හින්දා ඒක next week කරන්න වෙන්නේ නැති හින්දා මම අද එක ගැන වැඩි කියන්නේ නැහැ. But I shall let you all know on WhatsApp, and also next week during the class, I'll let you know. Okay, put the topic, please. Lesson 8. Areas of plane figures between parallel lines. Okay, done. You wrote the topic, right? Let's straight away jump to a little exercise question. But don't worry, you're not doing it alone. We'll do it together, right? Mama යනවා exercise 8.1 එකට. Because අපි මේ lesson එක පටන් ගන්න කලින් there are a few things that we need to understand, like a few terms. අන්න ඒ terms ටික ඉගෙන ගන්න තමයි අපි මේ exercise එක කරන්නේ. Okay. We'll do together, don't worry. Exercise 8.1, okay, you don't have to draw this diagram, huh? Just let's do it together. Let's discuss. After that, අපි answers ටික අත කර discuss කරලා ඊට පස්සේ මම ඔයගොල්ලන්ට answers ටික පොතේ copy කරගන්න වෙලාව දෙන්න. දැනට copy කරගන්න කලබල වෙන්න එපා, just listen. Okay. Based on the information in the figure, name 4 parallelograms. Okay. Now, මේක නම් ඔයගලන්ට answer කරන්න පුළුවන් නේ. You know what parallelograms are. Parallelograms කියන්නේ quadrilateral එක. Right? Quadrilateral කියන්නේ any shape with 4 sides. So parallelograms are a quadrilateral. That means they have 4 sides. What is the main feature, or what are the features of parallelograms that you know? මුලින් එක කියලා ඉන්නකො මේක කරන්න කලින්. What are the features of parallelograms that you know? First of all, tell me that. What are the features of a parallelogram? We have already done parallelograms, right? So you just have to remember what you did in grade 10. Parallel lines කියලා විතරක් කියලා හරියන්නේ නැහැ. Yes, opposite sides are parallel. Yes, there are parallel lines. There are a lot of parallel lines. But you have to be more specific. Where are the parallel lines? What are these parallel lines, right? So, in a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. What else? What are the other features that you know of parallelograms? Opposite angles are equal, correct. Yes, opposite angles are equal. මට දැන් ආපු ඔයගලන්ගේ ආපු answers දෙක මම මෙතන mark කරනවා. You said opposite sides are parallel. Okay, that means මෙයයි parallel. මෙතන මෙයයි parallel. I shall name this as A, B, C, D. You said opposite angles are equal. Yes. May I equal? Then may I equal? Any other feature about opposite sides that you know? Anything else? Opposite sides are equal, right? Parallelogram ekaka opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are also equal. So, may side equal. May side equal. Okay, don't forget that. What else do you remember about parallelograms? මොකද ළමයි අපි geometry questions කරද්දී මේ lesson එකකින් විතරක් නෙවෙයි නේ අපි කලින් parallelograms ගැන ඉගෙනගෙන තියෙනවා. So they could very well ask the previous things that you have learned. Do you remember we said in parallelograms the diagonal bisects the angle? මතකයිද ඒක? ඔයා මෙහෙම diagonal එකක් ඇන්දොත් එහෙම මේ corner එකේ angle එක දෙකට බෙදෙනවා. Like let's say මෙයා x කියලා, then this will be x. So this is x, this will also be x. If I draw another diagonal, same thing. Let's say this is y, here math y. Metan meya y na math y. Right? So the corner angles are divided into 2 equal parts. That's what we say bisected when you draw diagonals. In addition to that, what else have you learned about parallelograms? Come on, make him mark කරන්න. Do you remember that we have learned that when you draw diagonals in a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. මෙහෙම diagonals දෙක ඇඳහම හරියට මේක equal parts දෙකකට කැඩෙනවා. මෙන්න මේ කොටස් දෙක, right? Like that. මෙයා මතකද ළමයි? Is this clear? All right, now let's move on to exercise 8.1. මේකයි draw කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. මම මේ පොඩ්ඩක් මතක් කරලා දෙන්න විතරක් ඒක කතා කරේ. Okay, let's go to exercise 8.1. Based on the information in the figure, name 4 parallelograms. Okay, now tell me. According to the figure, give me some parallelograms here. Can you all make it faster? Tell me, ළමයි. මේ diagram එකේ තියෙන parallelograms. This is not that difficult. Can you all hear me? Okay, K, L, P, Q, K, M, R, P, R. K, what? K, L, P, Q. So, K, L, wait, let me pick a darker color. හරි. මේ line එකයි parallel නේ. මෙතන ඒගොල්ලෝ mark කරලා තියෙනවානේ. ඒතර ඒ lines දෙක parallel. Okay, that's no problem. Then KL PQ නෙවෙයි QP, KLQP. Yes, KLQP is a parallelogram, correct. So මම ඒක ලියන්නම්. KLQP. කොහොනිතත් කියාගෙන යන්න ඕගොල්ලෝ මම මේක මාක් කරනකම්. KMPR. Let's see. KMPR නෙවෙයි RP, අකුරු වල order එකට තමයි mark කරන්නේ. නැත්නම් වැරදි ඒක. That's why. So when you are marking a quadrilateral or a triangle or whatever, අකුරු එන order එකට තමයි mark කරන්නේ. So here K වලින් start කරා KMRP. So KMRP, okay. What else? Go quickly, tell. What else? We need 4. LMRQ. Let's see. LMRQ. Okay, correct. LMRQ is also correct. LMRQ. NOQR. Let's see. use color. N. Again, අකුරු දෙක පැටලිලා. N O, it was RQ, not QR. NORQ. That is also correct. NORQ. Is this clear to all of you, ළමයි? Both of you, is it clear? Denuri? Mark කරන letters වල order එක හරියන්න ඕනේ. LMRQ එක LMQRQ වලට වැරදි. KLQP PQQ වලට වැරදි. KMRP KMPRQ වලට වැරදි. The order is very important. Okay. Name the 2 parallelograms with the same base QR මම දැන් මේක චුට්ටක් erase කරනවා, otherwise it's very it's clutter in the diagram no. Okay, let's read this. Name the two parallelograms with the same base QR. Main QR. QR කියන base එක තියෙන parallelograms දෙකක්. Okay. Which lie between the pair of parallel lines AB and CD. AB and CD කියන parallel lines දෙක මැද ඉන්න AB and CD කියන parallel lines දෙක මැද ඉන්නත් ඕනේ. The base has to be QR. ඒ කියන්නේ එක side එකක් QR වෙන්නත් ඕනේ. බලන්න, if I take LMRQ ගේ මේක side එකක් QR නේ. So that is okay. ඔන්න ඒක හරි. And also LMRQ ඉන්නේ මේ ABCD කියන parallel lines දෙක මැද. එහෙනම් මට LMRQ ගන්න පුළුවන්. That is one of my parallelograms. But on the other hand, NORQ. If you take NORQ, එයාගේ base එකක් QR. This also lies between AB and CD parallel lines. එහෙනම් when they ask me two parallelograms with the same base QR lying between the same pair of parallel lines AB and CD, I can write LMRQ and also NORQ. Is that clear, Lamai? Give me a thumbs up. Okay, can you write these answers? You don't have to draw the diagram, but just try to understand what I taught you and what you understood, right? Quickly. Am I done? Okay. Okay, Lama. Let's move on to 8.2. 8.1, question number 2. Okay. Write down all the triangles with the same base OP that lie between the pair of parallel straight lines AQ and CP in the given figure. Can you all try to do this by your own? Can you try to do this? All the triangles, huh? Read the question carefully. Let's do it together. No triangles. Okay. The next one you'll do alone. Write all the triangles with the same base OP between the same pair of parallel lines AQ and CP. AQ and CP के मैंने में lines देखा. A parallel lines देखा මැද තියෙන මේ OP කියන එක්කෙනා base එක කරගත්ත triangles ලියන්න ඕනේ. එකක් we can write LOP, this triangle. Right? LOP. Triangle LOP. See, in triangle LOP, this lies between AQ and CP and also a base OP. So that's all good. Then MOP. Same thing again. OP base same pair of parallel lines. Then QOP. Again, the same thing. Base is OP and between the same pair of parallel lines. Did you all understand that? Give me a thumbs up. Okay, quickly write the answer. And I want you all to try the fourth one. Quickly write the answer and try the fourth one here. This is the fourth one. Second ke answer ke liye fourth එක කරන්න. Let's set a timer for that's nothing much. මේක ලියලා අරක කරන්න. Like 4-5 minutes. 5 minutes would also be a lot, but 5 minutes වගේ තියන්නම. Let's do. Okay, Naman. So, did you all get the answer? What is the area of the rectangle KLMN? Quickly tell me. What is the area of the rectangle KLMN? Okay, Mitna, what did you get? Yes. So if you take the area of the rectangle, we know its length into breadth, and NM is 10 centimeters, LM is 8 centimeters. So 8 times 10 is 80. So area is 8 centimeters multiplied by 10 centimeters. That would be 80 square centimeters. If the unit is wrong, no marks. Square kila tibuna naththam, again, no marks. Area of the parallelogram PQMN. PQMN is this. What did you get? Again, you got 80, no? Parallelogram එක අපි area එක හොයන්නේ base into perpendicular height. Now here we know that the base is 80 and perpendicular height is, sorry, base is 10, perpendicular height is 8. So again, it's 8 centimeters into 10 centimeters. That would be 80 square centimeters. Okay. What is the relationship between the area of the rectangle KLMN and parallelogram PQMN? They are equal. Equal කියලා තමයි ලියන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට මෙතන ළමයි what you have to understand is that see, they both have the same base and they are between the same pair of parallel lines, then their areas are equal. So rectangle is also parallelogram, right? Opposite sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, opposite angles are equal. Rectangle එකක් කියන්නේ parallelogram එකක්ම තමයි. Parallelogram එකක special parallelogram එකක්, right? එතකොට මේ දෙන්න ගත්තොත් two parallelograms දෙන්නටම තියෙන එකම base එක NM and they are between the same pair of parallel lines A, B and CD. So the areas are equal. That's a very important observation. Now we are moving on to learning the theorems of the lesson. ලියන්න topic එකක් areas of parallelograms කියලා. Just write up in a simple topic එකක් ලියමු. A subtopic areas of parallelograms. Yeah, just put that. Areas of parallelograms. Okay. දැන් ඔන්න මෙන්න මෙහෙම එකක් තියෙනවා. This image I'm straight away taking from textbook because I want to show you something very interesting. Now, if you look at this particular diagram, we have two parallelograms. එක parallelogram එකක් තමයි AB, CD. Right? So, if you take the area of parallelogram ABCD, right? Sorry. If you take the area of parallelogram ABCD, balanna, obviously you know how to find the area of a parallelogram, that is the base into perpendicular height. Balanna ඒ වුණාට මෙතන මෙයා හැදිලා තියෙන්නේ මෙන්න මේ ABCF කියන part එකයි AFD කියන triangle එකයි add වෙලා නේද? I mean, this parallelogram is made up of ABCF trapezium and AFD triangle, right? So I write area of parallelogram ABCD is area of trapezium ABCF plus area of triangle AFD. right? ඒක තේරුණාද ළමයි හැමෝටම? Did both of you understand that first of all? Let's go step by step. Is that clear? Denuri? Good. Now look at parallelogram ABEF. දැන් මං draw කරන green color එක විතරක් focus කරා. Area of parallelogram ABEF. Let's see. So area of parallelogram ABEF. බලන්න parallelogram ABEF හැදිලා තියෙන්නේ. This same trapezium ABCF is there. The same trapezium ABCF is there. In addition to that, this triangle BCE is also there. So area of parallelogram ABEF is area of trapezium ABCF plus area of triangle BCF. Okay, that is how you get the area of that parallelogram. Okay, is that clear, Lamai? Is that clear to both of you? Okay. බලන්න මේ දෙන්නටම මේ area of trapezium කියන එක common. They both have the same trapezium. So this is common to both of them. Right. Now let's look at this. Let's focus on these two. මෙන්න මේ දෙන්න බලමු. Triangle AFD and triangle BCF. So triangle AFD is here. Triangle BCF is here. Now let's look at those two. Triangle AFD and triangle BCF. Now if you look at these two triangles, what can you say? Do you think they are congruent? Do you think they're congruent? What do you think? Metna says yes. Denuri, what do you think? Okay. Under what case can you make them congruent? බලන්න අපි මෙන්න මේ triangles දෙක yes. මේ triangles දෙක ගත්තාම we know this angle and this angle are equal. Right? මොකද අපි දන්නවා මෙන්න මෙයයි parallel. Right? එයයි parallel කියලා කියන්නේ මේ angle එකයි equal. So angle DAB is equal to angle CBP. Also, we know this angle and this angle are equal because these two are also parallel. So these are corresponding angles, right? May they not corresponding angles? Corresponding angles between parallel lines. May they not right? So FAB equals EBP. They are also corresponding angles between parallel lines. බලන්න මම මොකද කරන්නේ? DAB ගෙන් FAB අඩු කරනවා. DAB minus FAB. Here මම CBP ගෙන් EBP අඩු කරනවා. CBP minus EBP. So DAB minus FAB. We'll see. DAB is this. FAB is this. එයාගෙන් යාව subtract කරාම අපිට ඉතුරු වෙනවා DAF. මෙතන CBP ගෙන් EBP අඩු කරන්න ඕනේ. CBP is this. එයාගෙන් EBP අඩු කරාම අපිට ඉතුරු වෙනවා this one, which is CBE. Now, if I consider congruency, triangle AFD and BCF, so we can see two angles are equal. DAF equals CBE, right? CBE within brackets I'll write proven above. And අනිත් එක නම් හරිය ලේසියිනේ මෙයයි equal. මොකද ඒ දෙන්න opposite sides of a parallelogram. මෙයයි equal because they're opposite sides of a parallelogram. So SAS වලින් congruent වෙනවා. AD equals BC and AF equals BE. So මේ දෙකම reason එක opposite sides of a parallelogram. Therefore, we can say triangle AFD is congruent to triangle BCF under SAS case. ඒකෙන් අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන් therefore congruent කියලා කියන්නේ ළමයි the two triangles are identical in every possible way. So that means if the two triangles are equal, congruent, the angles also should be equal. Sorry, angles the way area should also be equal. Therefore, I can write area of triangle AFD equals area of triangle BCE. BCE. Up to that point, did you all understand? Okay. දැන් මම උඩ මෙන්න මෙහෙම එකක් ලියුවා නේද? මම මෙන්න මෙයාව move කරගෙන පල්ලෙහාට ගේනවා. You will see why. Because මෙන්න මෙහෙම එකක් අපි කිව්වනේ. Now trapezium ABCF is there in both the equations. Now we know area of triangle AFD and BCF are also equal, right? Triangle AFD and triangle BCF are also equal. They're not equal. That means lamai, therefore අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන් ABCD parallelogram එකේ area එකයි ABEF parallelogram එකේ area එකයි equal. Area of parallelogram ABCD equals area of parallelogram what is it? ABEF. Sorry, ABEF, yes. Did you understand that? Okay. බාන ළමයි මේ parallelograms දෙක ගත්තොත්. Both these parallelograms are between the same pair of parallel lines. බාන මේ line එකයි parallel, right? එතකොට parallelograms දෙකම, both the parallelograms lie between these two parallel lines. Parallelograms දෙකම ඉන්නේ මේ parallel lines දෙන්න මැද. Okay? ඒක එකක්. අනිත් එක තමයි මේ parallelograms දෙන්නටම එකම base එකක් තියෙනවා. They have a common side here. See, AB is the base. Both of them have the same base. So if two parallelograms have the same base and they also lie between the same pair of parallel lines, we say that the areas of those parallelograms are equal. අන්න ඒක තමයි මේකේ theorem එක. මම theorem එක උනේ prove කළාම පෙන්නුවා. Right? එහෙනම් theorem එක මොකද්ද? මෙන්න මෙහෙම. Theorem is parallelograms on the same base and between the same pair of parallel lines are equal in area. This is the theorem. Okay, did you all understand this? One questions there, now is the time to ask. It's now or never. Never, but I'm just saying. It's better if you ask any questions you have now rather than later. Okay, then shall we start writing? There's quite a bit to write, but this is very important. මේ lesson එක හරියම important. ඒකින්ද අපි ලියමුද මේ ටික? Start from here. Areas of parallelograms කියන topic එක you already put no. So draw this diagram. මේ ටික හිමින් හිමින් ලියාගෙන යන්න බලන්න. The exact same thing I have written on the board, you have to copy on your writing book. The exact same thing. Nothing should change. Okay, make it fast. I'll scroll down a bit. I'll scroll down further. Antibra theorem එක ලියලා the theorem should be very easy to find when you're like skim reading in your book, right? ඒකින්ද ඒක මොකරි box එකක් ඇතුලේ වගේ ලියා ගන්න හොඳ clearly. Let me know when you're done, ළමයි. Yeah? Metna, let me know when you're done, na? Okay. Let's do a question real fast. අපි textbook එකේම question එකක් මුලින් කරලා ඉමු. This is too simple. Go to exercise 8.2. Let's do the third question together. Then I will give you one question to do alone. Okay. So go to that question on exercise 8.2. All right. The figure shows two parallelograms A, B, C, D and P, Q, R, S that lie between the pair of parallel lines A, Q and D, R. හරි අපිට තියෙනවලු parallelograms දෙකක්. ඇත්තනේ we can see ABCD is one parallelogram, PQRS is another parallelogram. That we can clearly see. They lie between the pair of parallel lines AQ and DR. AQ DR මැද තමයිනේ ඒකත් අපිට පේනවා. No problem. It is given that DS equals CR. Okay. DS කියන part එකයි CR කියන part එකයි equal ලු. Okay. They are asking you to show that DC equals SR. DC කියන්නේ මෙයා, SR කියන්නේ මෙයා. Okay. Now what have they given? DS equals CR. DS equals CR. ඒගොල්ලන් දීලා තියෙන එකනේ, that is given. We have to write reasons, no? Then බලන්න, look at this SC area. SC කියන්නේ දෙන්නටම common නේ, SC. So මම දෙපැත්තටම SC add කරනවා. DS plus SC. CR plus SC. Well then DS plus SC කියන්නේ DC. Right? Then here SCR plus SC කියලා කියන්නේ SR. See? What they have asked us to prove, we proved it here. Is that clear to you, Lamai? Is this clear? Then read? Okay. Prove that the area, okay, on the hang, that's okay. Prove that the area of the pentagon ABX SD. Okay. And then to make sure erase kara. May the equal kila vitarak man tiyanna. ABXSD. So ABXSD is this trapezium. Sorry, pentagon. And අයින්තක මොකද්ද? PQR. PQRCX. We have to prove that the areas of these two pentagons are equal. Okay. හරි. මුලින්ම බලන්න pentagons දෙක අමතක කරලා දාමු. Look at these two parallelograms. ABCD parallelogram එකයි PQRS parallelogram එකයි. Are they between the same pair of parallel lines? Are they between the same pair of parallel lines? Are these two parallelograms between the same pair of parallel lines? Denuri, what do you think? Yes. Do they have the same base? What do you say about that? Do they have the same base? Okay. Metna, what do you think? Yes, they don't have the same base. However, the bases are equal. නේ මේ බලන්න. මෙයාගේ බේස් එක DC, මෙයාගේ බේස් එක SR. එකම බේස් එක නොවුනට ඒ දෙන equal නේ. equal කියලා කියන්නේ නිකන් එකම බේස් එක තිබ්බා වගේ තමයි. Even though they don't visibly have the same base, their bases are equal. So equal can take common. So we can say that the bases are the same, right? එහෙනම් ඔන්න මම මෙන්න මෙහෙම ලියනවා. So I will write area of parallelogram ABCD area of මෙන් parallelogram වල parallelogram sign එකක් දැම්මම ඇතියා. හැමලේම parallelogram කියලා දිග වචනයක් ලියන්න ගියාම it takes a lot of time. Area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram PQRS. PQRS. For the reason I write parallelograms between the same pair of parallel lines. One second, a reason parallelograms between the same pair of parallel lines with the same base නේ අපි ඉගෙන ගත්තේ theorem එකේ same base කියලා. මෙතන එකම base එක නේ හැබැයි equal base එක නේ දෙන්නගෙන් bases දෙක equal. So මෙතන මම same වෙනකොට I can write equal. නැත්නම් ඔයගලන් same කියලා දැම්මත් කමක් නැහැ. It's okay because we have proved it here already, so no problem. Then බලන්න මේ parallelograms දෙකටම මේ මැද triangle එක common නේද? Can you see that this triangle is common? Can you see that this triangle is common? Denudi? Okay, so since the triangle is common, let's subtract this triangle. Okay. මොකද කරන්නේ මෙතන area of parallelogram ABCD subtract කරනවා area of what is the triangle XSC. XSC minus අනිත් parallelogram එක area of PQRS එයාගෙනුත් subtract කරනවා same triangle එක. I'm sorry when typing it looks a little off ne පොඩකින් මතක් ගාලා එක හදන්න. This is triangle, this is parallelogram, this is triangle. Within brackets you can write triangle කියන වචනේ වෙනුවට you can put the symbol, but sometimes putting the symbol is difficult when you are typing, right? So for me it's difficult. එකින්ද මම අකුර වචනෙම ලියනවා. You can just put the symbol. A triangle XSC is common to both parallelograms කියලා මම ලියුවා reason එක. දැන් බලමු ABCD ගෙන් XSC. ABCD ගෙන් මෙයාව subtract කරාම අපිට කවුද ඉන්නේ? ABXSC. ABXSC. Then I have area of ABXSC equals මෙයාගෙන් PQRS ගෙන් XSC subtract කරාම PQRS ගෙන් XSC subtract කරාම PQRCX. PQRCX. So that is area of PQRCX. Is this clear, Lamai? This is how we proved that. Okay. Last one, prove that the area of the trapezium APSD is equal to the area of the trapezium BQRC. Okay. දැන් අපි මෙතන කිව්වනේ ඕන දැන් මම මේක ඔක්කොම ඉරේස් කරන්නම්. දැන් අපි අන්තිමට ප්‍රූව් කරේ මොකක්ද? අන්තිමටම අපි ප්‍රූව් කරා this ABX SC pentagon, the area is equal to the area of the pentagon PQRCX. right? ඔන්න ඕකන අපි කිව්වේ. බලන්න දෙන්නටම මම මෙන්න මේක ඇඩ් කරනවා. BPX කියන triangle එක මම දෙන්නටම ඇඩ් කරනවා. බලමු මොකද වෙන්නේ කියලා. So I will start from here. මම ඔක්කොම type කරන්න ළමයි ඕගලන් symbols දාන්න ඕන තැන්වල symbols දාගන්න. එතකොට ඕගලන්ට answers දෙද්දි ගොඩක් වෙලාව යන්නේ නැහැ. Right, but when typing it's difficult for me to put the symbol, so I will just write. So area of ABXSC equals the area of PQRCX. ඔන්න මම එතෙන් තමයි පටන් ගන්නේ. මේක දැන් already prove කරානේ උඩ. So මුකුත් ලිව්වේ නැතත් කම නැහැ. නැත්නම් you can just write proven above. හරිද? දැන් මොකද කරන්නේ? දැන් මේ triangle එකේ ඉන්නවනේ BPX. I'm going to add that triangle to both these pentagons. Right? BPX. ඔන්න බලන්න. Area of ABXSC. මම එයාට add කරනවා area of BPX triangle. area of PQCX, PQR, CX that mama add karna area of triangle BPX. Now what do we have? මෙයාට මේක add කරාම අපිට මොකක්ද එන්නේ? We get ABPSD. ABPSD තමයි අපිට එන්නේ. Right? ABPSD. So we get area of trapezium ABPSD. මේ දෙන්න add කරාම අපිට එනවා. What do we get here? We get BPQRC. BPQRC. Sorry, BQRC, trapezium. So we get another ABS. ABSD trapezium and area of BQRC trapezium. BQRC trapezium. Is this clear, Lamai? Is this clear to both of you? Okay, can you write this down? Fast. Quickly write this answer down, Lamai. Mitna, is it clear? Okay, quickly write down the answer and please excuse me for 2 minutes. Huh? Lama, let me know if you're done copying this, huh? Done, Lama? Okay, you need more time. No, all right. Okay, Metna. Then we're done. Metna, have you finished? Okay. Can y'all try this question alone? Let's try question number 5. No, sorry, 4. 4 complicated diagram में वगे तिब्बर bye when it's not that difficult. So let's try question number 4. Make it fast, Nama, yeah? Let me know when you're done, Lamai.